Claire's kitchen, and what I'm going to show you today is a very delicious recipe, yet very simple, that is called a trash cake. We call it like that because you just take whatever is hanging in your cupboard and you can put it in that recipe. So let's get started. So here you have 300 grams of chocolate chips, 200 grams of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. After that, this is what you're going to put in your cake. This is what I had in my cupboard. So I had some mini marshmallows, some cookies. I have 3 different kinds, but you could put whatever you want. Here I have some maple, strawberries, and just butter cookies. Some pretzels to add a little bit of saltiness, cornflakes, and a bunch of chocolate bars. And finally, this is for the decoration. I have some mini eggs left from Easter. Then I had some Smarties just to put some colors, a little bit more of pretzel, and a little bit more of little marshmallows. The first thing you have to do is add the butter and the corn syrup to your chocolate chips. Once it's done, you put it in the microwave 30 seconds at a time, and you stir really well between each time. It might take a few turns in the microwave for the mixture to start looking like something, but be patient. The reason why you do it 30 seconds at a time is because you want it to melt evenly without overcooking your chocolate. When it is completely melted and it is all well combined, you put that aside and you get started with the rest of the ingredients. So while the chocolate mixture is cooling down, cut and break your chocolate bars, cookies, and pretzels into small pieces. You can put it all in a bowl like I do to make it easier for later. Like I said, you could put whatever you want in this dessert. For example, nuts, dry fruits, anything you have at home really. In the meantime, your chocolate has cooled down, so you can now add your dry ingredients to the chocolate mixture. You stir it really well and you make sure that everything is well coated in chocolate. You now pour your mixture and you press it down with a spatula to level it and to get it into every corner. Here I'm using a square tin greased and lined with parchment paper, but you can take any type of tin that you have at home. Once you're satisfied, it's time to decorate. Here I sprinkle some Smarties, little pieces of pretzels, mini eggs, and some more mini marshmallows because this is what I had at home and I like it when it's colorful. Again, you can use whatever you have in your cupboard. It is really up to you. All you have to do now is put your trash cake in the fridge for about an hour until it is cold and firm. Once the hour passed, all you have to do is to take it out of the fridge and cut it into little squares. And there you have it, a beautiful trash cake that all you have to do is put it in the fridge until you're ready to eat it. Bon appétit!